This is your Chapter 1, Day 3 homework. This video covers number 1 through 4 and number 12. Alright, number 1 through 4, it asks you to sketch these 4 items. For number 1, we have to sketch AB. And notice the symbol on top is just a straight line. If we have just a straight line with no arrows at the end, it's going to look something like, here's my line, there's A, here's my point at the end, B. That would be line segment AB. Okay? For the next one, for number 2, it's going to look quite similar. Okay, we're going to have this line here. We'll put a point there. It'll be A. But on the B end, so we'll put B down here. This line has to go on forever in that direction. This is ray AB. It's ray AB. It has to start. With point A because point A came first there. So it has to start with point A. Alright, number 3. Number 3 asks us to draw ray BA. So if you notice, number 2 and number 3 look exactly the same, just the letters are flipped. So the drawing is also going to look very similar. So we're going to have this ray, but this time on this end, that will be point B, and on this end, that will be point A. So the A and B just flip. Okay, number 4, we have line BA. So line BA, the reason why we know it's a line and not a line segment is there are arrows. There are arrows at both ends, arrows here and here. So there's arrows at both ends. It will look like this. Here's my line. Let's add some arrows on the end. And now it doesn't really matter which way we put B or A because it's a line that goes on forever and ever in each way. But since we started with B, I'm going to put B down here and A up there. That is line BA. So notice they all just look slightly different, but the drawing and the way they are denoted is slightly off from each other. Alright, for number 12, we will use this picture from the book. This is the picture that goes with the question. We will use this picture to find. The question is segment EF is parallel, so that symbol with the 2 lines looks like 2 L's is a symbol for parallel to what other segment? Okay, so if I draw EF, or if I trace it on the picture, it is going to be right here from E to F. Okay, what line in this picture is parallel? Well, I'll do a couple bad examples. DE here, if I go from D to E, if I trace this, they intersect right there. So those cannot be parallel. So we look around, the bottom lines will also intersect. So I go all the way over to the other triangle right here. Line BC is going the same direction. So BC and EF are parallel to each other. It's almost easier to see if I draw a longer line. So I draw it like this and like this. Oops. No, it's not drawing for me. You can see those 2 lines are parallel.